Okay, here's my 2021 setup. You can see everybody's up here. The lake is over there. And we've got 5 posts with blue fountains put up here. And then we get down in here and we've got 13 stations kind of designated. We're using slats to spread them out. Got 5 18Ms and a whole lot of slats and cables. This is my special piece this year. Got 10 boards of Jungle Jets by T-Sky. Looking forward to that. That'll be a heck of a effect. We mirror both sides, so this side over here matches what's over there. You can see. And we've got another middle section here. Section 10, it's a little bit larger stuff. Over here. I've got to cut this cardboard here, but this is all my pro slices for the show. A couple of little guys that going along with those. And then back here, a lot more of the 500 grams shooting up the middle. So that is the show. We're going to set up way over on the other bank over there for a video. So hopefully we can get the whole thing. That is our 2021 show. I haven't done continuity checks yet, but I'm hoping everything goes smooth. Stay tuned.